automatic bag filling sealing machine, and this is for the set of the machine. This is for the vertical sealing temperature. It's this for the temperature sealing, and this is for this one. Okay, those two for this one. And here is the start manual. For the machine, we installing the film like this. Here is the film, and go through this one, then come back, and then to this. The back installing. And here is the sensor. This is one, and this is the second. The sensor for the give the sign to the machine. This is for this sticker, and this is for the film. Okay. Here, inside you can put particles inside the hopper. Inside the hopper, and it will go inside this part. Then it will be waiting for filling. Okay. Here. This is the sensor for the inside of the products. Here is change the volume, and after set you should lock it. With this one is fine. And here you should connect it with the power of the switch. Sorry, of the gas. And here inside the screen, this is the main screen. Now here is the lens sachet. Normally you only need to set this one is fine for the back of the sealing. Okay. And the others no need to set anymore. All the speed can be adjusted. Here, for this one is for the adjuster set the machine. You can press this one. Then for each part of the working for testing. Okay. And then here is the parameters. Normally, this is no need to adjust it anymore. And here is just for checking the working of the machine is fine. And here, this is the same system no need, and this is the monitor. Also, this is just for checking, no need to set anymore for the machine.